Yeah, yeah.
1 bedroom, 2 bedroom,
Yeah.
2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom. Anything.
Yeah. For rent, what much for rent?
Size video. 2 bedroom.
$60. 6,000 per night. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Yeah.
She will take hobby for herself. Really?
Okay, I'll try.
Okay.
Yeah, family. So this is Jam Tours Africa. Some peace, some love, and some sunlight from Ankeru, from Jam Tours Africa family. So I'm actually in the Killimani here today, and I'm going to show you a 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom for rent. And then say 1 bedroom is how much per night again?
Night or per month? Which one?
Well, these places are what, furnished?
Yeah, furnished. I think that's some unfurnished. Depends if it's available.
How much for the no?
You know, so the unfurnished is out of service.
Okay, so it's just fully furnished. You have
Fully furnished, nightly rental, yeah.
nightly rental.
So you can see. But
Okay.
you can get it monthly also. On a price, good price.
On a good price.
So the nightly
Okay.
rental price to be less if you do it monthly.
Okay. All right, family. Let's go. So this is the elevator we're in right now.
In the lift.
In the lift. So let's go.
6th floor. What about the apartments all the way to the top?
They're full, completely full.
Completely full.
This is our 2 bedroom.
2 bedroom?
Yeah,
Okay.
Just see, look around.
Yeah, this is a 2 bedroom, and it's for 6,000 Kenyan shillings per night.
Per night. Okay.
6,000, 2 bedroom. This is the kitchen right here.
If you want
Per month. How much per month?
we can do 150.
150,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Fully furnished. All the bills and
Bills, everything take care.
Everything take care of.
So
Service charge, water bill, internet bill, light bill.
with everything per month. Yeah.
2 bedroom.
2 bedroom. Can look around. All right, family. This is the living room right here, family. And trust me, guys, this is a water dispenser. You put the water and thing.
All this stuff is natural water.
Natural water.
And this is just one of the apartments out of many.
Into many.
There's like, how many apartments here? 40?
Oh, almost 80.
Almost
80.
80 apartments. And it's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
one of them. So all apartments set different.
Yeah.
You can get your own apartment and you can furnish it where you want.
Yeah, family. So here we are going right now. As I was saying to you that this is very important for you guys because when you come, you need a place in Kenya to settle down. This is a 150K. 150K. Let me show you outside.
Yeah.
150K per month.
Laundry, she's doing the laundry now.
She's doing the laundry now. This is the balcony
Yeah,
right
outside,
here.
look.
Let me show you out the view. Show you the view, family. This is the view in the Killimani, the Ethiopian restaurant, and just down there, so family. So that's it, guys. So as you can see, that is it. Let me go back inside and show you guys.
They know where to come, who to contact
Yeah.
and stuff like
So
that.
let's check out the room then, now, family. Quick and fast. Because my battery are low. This is like one of the room. So if you have somebody coming, you can even team up for a month and split the rent half family. So you know what I mean, this is one.
A block bed, like 3 person, like 2 bedroom.
Yeah.
Get a block bed and put one block bed in the living room.
Yeah.
This can be removed.
Yeah.
One side.
Yeah.
Yeah, you stay here for the month.
You pay for the month, family. So the best thing, family, is for you to actually find a way to cut costs. Another bedroom here. Another bedroom, family. Let's look at the bathroom. Bathroom, it's right here. Fully furnished. 150K per month. 150K per month. As you see, family. 150K per month. Yeah, family. So this is it, family. So if you're coming to Kenya and you need to get a fully furnished place, all bills, everything covered, 150K. This is in the Killimani here. A lot of foreigners.
Small little fridge.
Small fridge.
Microwave.
Stove.
Gas is already in.
Yeah.
Your cupboards, you can pocket stuff.
Pockets,
Pots and stuff. is
pots
there.
and stuff. Yeah.
You can see everything
See,
is there already.
yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Nice little place to settle up for a month.
Yeah.
You want to stay for a month and 2 and no deposit. Just
No.
one month rent, no
One-
deposit. No security.
No
fee.
security fee.
No
Blood
security
clot,
fee.
that's a steal, man.
Yeah,
It's even
man,
better than Airbnb.
better than an Airbnb. It's not an Airbnb, but I'm saying
it's not an Airbnb.
it's not an it's an Airbnb if you want, but that's not an Airbnb.
Yeah.
So you can even rent it and put it on Airbnb for yourself.
If you want.
So
Ah.
you get everything, all bills and stuff taken care of.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, family. So this is it and that is it. Just showing you this. So when you're forward in, you can settle in and look for your business, whatever you need to do if you need to get settled in Kenya. And that's what Jam Tours is all about, family. I'm all about actually showing you ways so when you come, you won't get scammed. You won't be up and down looking like a headless chicken without a head. So, we're showing you this for you to make the right choice when you come and stuff like family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm out. Family, so we're actually at a place called Village Market at the moment. Actually, we come to link up with another Jamaican brother, Lloyd. So we're at Village Market. It's the second time you're coming to Village Market since the forward.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm a place this one.
Your place, only part time.
Only part time. Eat here,
Yeah.
sleep here, eat here. Village Market is the best. It's one of the best markets I like.
The best mall you like so far in
So
Kenya?
far, yeah. Yeah, Westgate is okay. But
Westgate,
Sarah Mall,
sorry,
Village Market.
sorry, Center. Yeah.
Center,
Yeah.
Village Market is good.
Yeah.
There's a lot more.
There's a lot more.
Yeah, there's a lot more. But those two.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna link up with our brother Lloyd him at CJ's. We're gonna link him up and see what I deal with. That's what I say. So let's go. Village Market. It's a party. Eat and juice, chop and juice. Get some fresh juice down here, so. Zucchini. And come back, we get a nice tree tomato. You ever drink tree tomato? Yeah?
What's up?
It's like the wild tomato. Grow in the wild. Trust me, nice man. You check it out.
No tomato.
You get one.
Bloody Mary, we don't drink this.
Bloody,
We don't drink this.
Bloody Mary. Yeah, family. So we are entering a CJ. What do you think set?
Yo.
Oh,
God. All is good? Shatta, we're there, Shatta. All is good, though. Yeah, this guy is good,
Yeah.
The craft and stuff.
So when you come and you want to get your stuff, check him out. I'll write your name on 1 grain of rice.
Real,
or one
rice.
of
Your full name.
yeah. Wow, Ryan. Oh, it's nice. You wear it as a chain.
Yeah,
chop.
Bracelets and stuff like that.
Yeah.
See? Bracelets.
Your
1 grain of
family.
rice, a full name and a flag. See?
Yeah.
1 grain of rice, just 1 grain. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, family, when you come Village Market, check out this brother right at the front of CJ's. Alright, cool. CJ's right here. Respect my brother. One love.
Yo.
Jamaica, yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright. Respect.
So are you related to Beanie Man? You look like Beanie Man.
I look like Beanie Man. Yeah, Beanie Man is my favorite reggae artist. Yeah. Yeah, family. So this is it at CJ's. Check him out when you come. Check him out. Support him. This is what I say.
In a Rastaman party.
Chronics, yeah, Chronics.
Bola.
Link up.
Yeah, all right.
Alright then. Let's move.
Yeah, fam, this is Village Market for you. Village Market, Kenya, Nairobi, and this is CJ's.
Where is CJ?
So let's go. Yeah, family. So I'm actually in a place called Zucchini, and I'm gonna go down to get a fresh juice down at Zucchini right now. Then I'm gonna get a fresh juice at Zucchini. Hi, you guys have any tree tomato? Not today? Okay, okay. Can I wait for it or what? No, can I get it now?
It's a process.
How long will it take?
It take long. It's about 6 now.
So this is a juice spot, natural juice.
Natural juice.
Yeah, natural
And
juice.
everything.
Yeah. You guys have
And fresh fruits.
as olive. Yeah. This one. Can I get a packet, please? Yeah, family. So Miss Jam to says she want olives. So I have to get her olives. Okay. Them not no tree tomato today.
The lemon,
Uh,
spice.
eh. No spice. I want the plain. No spice.
Maybe a lemon.
Yeah, give me the lemon. Yeah. You can half that. Half it up. Half it up and price it. Oh, that mic them there. Yeah, family, so we're in a place called Village Market. We have a place called Fine Foods. This is where you find a lot of European foods, healthy food in this place. Zucchini, fresh fruits. I have the wine and spirits right here. Oh, butchery up so if I realize that you have something up here, so butchery, wine place.
The bottle of wine locking up for 1 year.
Big.
Locking up for 1 year straight.
We have a meat shop up here, so the family level, you know that.
Fresh meat.
Fresh meat. Oh yeah, so you come back out on this side. Big slab of meat. Big slab. Video with me. Yeah, family. So as you can see, let me get a tree tomato. And let me go and get my thing from Miss Jam Tours. Family, let's go. Yeah, family, this is like my favorite sweet potato mixed with chili and salt, sweet potato chips. This is very nice and tasty. You see, I have the olives from Miss Jam Tours. So, so I finished with zucchini. I get Miss Jam Tours olive. And we're actually gonna go to Carrefour right now to get a few things in Carrefour. So guys, let's go. So this is Village Market for your family. It's a nice mall where you can come and chill. And you can enjoy, you know what I mean, you know, small entertainment, food, whatever it is. It's here for you, family. So it's Village Market.